Good morning, guys. It's 8. What's up, you guys? It's corncob. What you guys been up to? Anything for pushing? Anything exciting? Well, right now, you guys, we are cooking up some scrambled eggs, so that's what we are doing.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel.
It's Go Dogs for One.
So right now, you guys, we are gonna pick up my friend. She has to go to the vet. So we are gonna pick her up. To drop her off at the vet. So that's what I'm doing. So I'll talk to you guys when we get there. Guys, so right now, you guys, we are just doing shopping with So that's what we are doing, so...
And we can't find jalapeno poppers anywhere.
Yeah, we are trying to look for jalapeno poppers for her. Somewhere, never know where. So right now, you guys, we are just waiting for her to come back, so that's what we are doing. So we are gonna have so much fun, you guys. So right now, you guys, we are setting up for a video, which is gonna be really fun and exciting. We are doing the forward and backward challenge, so that's what we are doing right now. So I'll talk to you guys when we are done with the video. So right now, you guys, I'm just heading home, so I'm talking to you guys when I get home. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, I'm just home, and I'm gonna drink some chocolate milk. I mean, white milk, you guys. Yes. What? It's weird. It's pink. I just opened this carton, and it's pink, not white. False advertisement, you guys. Yes, false advertisement, but that's okay. That is so weird, you guys. It's pink instead of actual white milk, you guys. Yes, I don't know why, but that's weird. So right now, you guys, I'm just husking the corn on the cob. So that's what I'm doing, because I'm going to freeze this and do like that. So that's what I'm doing. So right now, you guys, we are playing some Fortnite. You guys haven't played Fortnite for eons. Like last time was like long time ago. If you guys remember that game, comment down below if you guys remember that game. So that's what we did, and I'm playing some more with my friends. So that's what I'm doing. So I'll talk to you guys when we are done. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.